A natural calamity. Earthquakes shake the ground beneath us, caused by the sudden movement of tectonic plates. Tsunamis are giant waves triggered by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions, capable of wiping out entire coastlines. Hurricanes are powerful storms that form over warm ocean waters, bringing devastating winds and torrential rains. Tornadoes are violent windstorms that create a rotating funnel, capable of obliterating everything in their path. Floods occur when heavy rainfall or melting snow causes water to overflow onto normally dry land. Wildfires are uncontrolled fires that spread rapidly, fueled by dry conditions and strong winds. Volcanic eruptions occur when magma from beneath the Earth's surface breaks through, releasing lava and ash. Natural calamities remind us of the power of nature. Understanding them helps us stay informed and prepared.